What did Daddy do to you? That's so nice. You're so pretty. Are you going to go to work?
You got a job interview.
Oh, dog. There, he's so nice looking. Oh, yes. Hi.
Go see your mommy.
You're not so thrilled. Come here, show everybody how you walk. Come on, come on, come on. You hate it, don't you? This is a very nice walk. Oh. Oh no! Your shirt made you trip. Oh no. We're so mean to you, dog. Okay. I think you're ready to be done. Okay. Okay. I won't save you, you know that, right? I know. I'm not such a fan.